Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one that is about y to the power of 3 over x to the power of 3. Next, we divide both sides by y to the power of 3 on the both sides. We see that this is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dv over dx equals to negative number 2 over y to the power of 3 dy over dx. Because we don't have negative number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change by v, this one we change by this one. Next, we multiply both sides by negative number 2. Next, we have v and first derivative of v, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of 4 over s dx. The integration of this one, we have 4L and s. Later that, number 4 will go inside about natural law in here. And this one, we have s to the power of 4. That means we multiply both sides by s to the power of 4. So this one we have 4s to the power of 3. This one we have negative number 2s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So in this situation, we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So this one that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vs to the power of 4. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. dv, we have cosine s ds. The integration of cosine s, we have v equal to sine s. So this one, we have u multiplied by v. minus we have du multiplied by v. So we have sin x dx, the integration of negative sin x, we have positive cosine x, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, and here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.